What to do if your divorce papers are rejected in LA County. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you filed your own divorce in Los Angeles County and just got a rejection notice from the court, don't panic. You're not alone, and there is a solution. I'll walk you through why divorce papers often get rejected, what to do next, and how to get your case back on track quickly and correctly. First, let's talk about why divorce papers are commonly rejected in LA County. The courts are very strict when it comes to paperwork. Rejections often happen because of incomplete forms, missing attachments, wrong signatures, improper formatting, or even something as simple as using the wrong version of a court form. And with LA County requiring electronic filing, even one small error can cause your documents to be kicked back. We often hear from people who tried to handle their divorce on their own, or used an online form service, and were surprised when their case stalled out due to rejections. The truth is, once you get a rejection, you're left to figure out what went wrong on your own, which usually means wasted time, confusion, and frustration. The good news? A rejection doesn't mean you have to start over. In most cases, the issue can be corrected and the paperwork resubmitted. At Divorce 661, we offer a judgment correction and refiling service where we review everything you've submitted, identify what went wrong, and fix it so it meets the court's requirements. We make sure it's resubmitted properly and moves forward toward approval fast. We recently helped a client who had tried to submit their divorce judgment 3 times, only to be rejected each time. Within a week of hiring us, we reviewed the paperwork, corrected all the issues, and resubmitted it electronically. The court approved the judgment a few days later, and the client's case was finally completed after months of delays. At Divorce 661, we specialize in fixing rejected divorce cases in Los Angeles County. Whether your entire case has stalled or just your judgment package was rejected, we know exactly how to get it approved without you needing to figure it out alone. If your divorce papers have been rejected and you need help correcting and resubmitting them, visit divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll review your situation, fix the errors, and make sure your divorce gets finalized quickly, accurately, and without the hassle.